saya.
10 years of service.
Tayo'y magkakasama.
Sir Marco M. Fronda ng Shell S-Lex. Stand tayo, sir. Yo. Okay. Pag tinawag ko yung pangalan, tayo na lang. Ma'am Gretchen Tagarao ng Landmark Manila Bay. Ma'am Raylene Pascual ng Landmark Festival. Ma'am Annalyn Abartique ng TCK Makati. Yes. Sir Lucky Lopez ng FEU. Sir Joseph Ilaw ng GSD. Yes. Hindi ka kita, sir. Ma'am Annabel Orfanel ng Hypermoa. Yes. Sir Mark Anthony Lolong ng RCBC Makati. Ma'am Feli Cantolas ng production. Sir Crispin Sorilla ng Shell and Lex. Sir Juanito Sanyol ng production. 20 years of service. Grabe. Sir Oliverto Olan, Sales Supervisor ng area ng South. 25 years of service. Solo pa na si Sir. Okay. Sir Dante Morchante ng Dispatching. Yo. Sir Jeffrey Borak ng Production. Ma'am Aida Cuno ng Pure Gold Tagapot. Ma'am Alegria Nevales ng 168 Mall. Yo. Ma'am Annabel de Guzman ng Shell Blue Ridge. Ma'am Lilibet Malatambay Production. Napaka-gorgeous na ba? Sir Albert Delgado ng Production. Ma'am Liliana Galuyat ng Purchasing. Sir